Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses.
These blocks resemble each stage of the outcome. These are the W's, the what's. What needs to be achieved by when on the timeline. Do you remember yesterday?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes? So what we're exploring here is the how. How do we get there? Do we go that way or do we go this way? Do you remember the book Going on a Bear Hunt?
Yeah.
How many millions of copies has that sold? And how simple is that? There you go. Make something simple and sell millions of it. What does the family say?
You're going to have to go round it, over it, under it, or through it.
Yeah. So
you never got the book?
You haven't. We can't go.
It's a cartoon now.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it. We can't
go
go
under it.
So we've got to go through it. And that's the basis for every single chapter in that ridiculously short book that's made them millions. That simple language is about how to, okay? We've got to get to the other side. We can't go under, over, we've got to go through. So put it in the language of the project. How are you going to be able to get there? Build a language now. How are you going to lay the foundations? Right, we know the hole's going to be dug there. We've got the tools, we've got all the resources, we've got the team. All you're talking about now is how to do it. So, the questions are...
It could be what training's needed, or...
Sorry?
It could be training. If you've got the team, you've agreed that, you know...
Is there you've already had that you've already had that conversation in the SWOT. Right. If there's training necessary, you'd have done it before you stand over the area where it's got to be dug.
Yeah, so we're talking about...
Come on, you know the answer.
All of the concrete. Get all
you're gonna
buy the JCBs
before digging the hole. Not by your house.
Well, it depends on the lead time.
Oh, you need the resource to the resource to dig the
hire the JCB.
Hey. Remember, you're about to do it. Okay, so you're planning what you're going to do.
Yeah.
You've already decided what resources you need because you did that in the SWOT.
Yeah.
You know you need a JCB.
Allocating the resources in the order they need to be used.
Yes.
Put the recipe in place.
So, which do we use first?
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.